Hi guys, today we'll be reading Clive and His Art by Jessica Spanyol. So yeah, let's get started. Clive makes sponge prints. This is messy, says Clive. Clive draws a flower picture with blue, pink, green and red crayons. Clive and Mina build a castle. Clive finds a snail on his leaf picture. Hello, snail, says Clive. Clive looks at art in the museum. Wow, says Clive. Clive shows his collage to Mushy Cat. Clive really likes googly eyes. Hello, says Clive. Clive and Jeffrey thread beads. Clive and Asif paint their butterflies. Clive sprinkles glitter and stars on his cards. This is for Jeffrey, says Clive. Clive looks at pictures in his big art book. Beautiful, says Clive. Clive really does love his art. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Please comment down below and let me know your recommendations for the next book that I should make my video on. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!